This is the lecture for Mary Ann Warren's article on the moral and legal status of abortion. I can't find a picture of her, so there's no picture in the lecture. The kind of the almost half of the article up through page 52 is um, I don't know, like she in on 48 through 52, as you can see in the lecture outline, she's talking about Thompson's argument, and so that's helpful to think about in terms of evaluating Thompson and whether or not you agree or disagree with Warren's criticism of Thompson and what you think about that. And so the Thompson stuff, and then also the little bit before Thompson. So the article starts on 43, and we get to Thompson on 48. She's kind of setting up the question, but we really don't get her full point, or her argument doesn't really begin like her kind of positive argument, her specific proposal on the morality of abortion really doesn't begin until page 52, which is almost halfway through in this section two, is where she kind of starts giving her specific views. So that's just to point out. Read the whole thing carefully, of course, and it helps to read the Thompson stuff for thinking about Thompson versus Warren, but pay just as much attention, maybe even more attention to the second part, because that's Warren's own proposal, and that's also what we're going to be talking about next week, because we're going to have Warren versus Card on whether or not her proposal, Warren's proposal, is a good one. So we're sort of finishing Thompson and moving on now to Warren more fully.